Siwanja. After 30 years, over 30 years in North America, I decided to come back home being Kenya, specifically Nanyuki. And one thing I wanted to do is find a business that I can do so I don't get bored. I mean, people, you can retire, and I'm too young to retire. I can retire and then I get bored at home. So I figured I needed to make an investment. I've always worked with hair. So I found this fabulous place just by the equator. That's where the north and the south hemisphere meet each other, and I found this fabulous location. I went back and forth with the landlord, but eventually we agreed on a 10-year lease. So I'm leasing this fabulous property for 10 years, and what I'm going to do is I'll have different businesses all in one. The property itself is almost 2 acres, and I'll have a bar and grill, I'll have a barber shop, I'll have outdoor seating, nice gardens. It will be absolutely something that Nanyuki needs and lacks. That's what I'll be doing. So today I want to introduce you to this beautiful property that I'm going to name Backyard Smokehouse and Gardens. So smokehouse being that we're gonna bring American Southern barbecue. When I say barbecue, I mean smoked meat. I mean barbecue the American way, not the way a lot of Kenyans they say, oh, I can barbecue, but they mean they can grill. We're gonna show them there's a difference between grilled meat and barbecued meat. So we're gonna be specializing mostly in pork because hey, your girl is a pig farmer. So we'll be doing that. We'll be bringing pretty much will be a farm to grill kind of situation. So we're gonna have an outdoor kitchen. It's just now not being built. We're doing renovations right now, and this is like almost 3 weeks in. All the mess you're seeing is 3 weeks in, but this place was like a jungle when we first got it. So we are trimming the flowers, we are planting new flowers, we are putting geese in the pond. It is a very beautiful place, very serene. You get here and you chill. You can take a beer or you can take a toast over the equator. Like you can be on the north hemisphere, I'm on the south hemisphere, and we are saying cheers. So they're gonna be very lovely. I'm gonna have a nice elaborate bar. It's gonna be like a circular, and I just cannot wait for this place to be complete and for us to open. So this is what's gonna happen. We're aiming to open the first week of November, but construction is construction, so it may or may not work. But we are positive and crossing fingers that will be done by the first week of November, so we can introduce people to our food, our services at the barbershop and spa. I'm having a sensory garden where I'm planting all kind of healing herbs. I'm gonna have a cabin where people will be experiencing food baths and just getting back to basics. Like we as Africans, even in the diaspora in Africa, we have come away from how our grandparents used to live. Like this area of Nanyuki where I'm at, there's a lot of older ladies, women who are suffering from arthritis. There should be no reason for that. If most of these things are just lifestyle diseases, but we have gotten used to just the commercialized pharmaceuticals, just want to sell us pills, want to sell us surgeries, want to sell you this, but I'm trying to get people in my hometown to get back to basics, where we actually live from the land, from the ground that the Almighty God gave us. Everything grows here. Like we don't really need to import anything. We can just eat the way our grandparents used to eat, and then we don't have to have all those lifestyle diseases, like arthritis, diabetes, talking about blood pressure. My own mama died of blood pressure complications, and that was my conviction for me, that I don't want anybody else to lose their mom over something that's so avoidable like blood pressure or diabetes. So please, I'm not a doctor, a disclaimer. I'm just a girl who just loves nature and who loves the idea of getting back to basics the way our grandparents used to live. That's where we're headed. So Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I have some good news to tell you guys. Your support has been awesome. I got monetized by YouTube. That means when you interact with my contact, YouTube actually pays me a token. Please watch the ads. Don't skip the ads. You're helping me to continue to bring this good content to you guys. So if you're thinking about moving back home from abroad, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel, learn from me, because I'm telling you, I'm giving you the raw. I'm giving you the good, the bad, the ugly, and the indifferent, so you know. And at the end of this video, I'll be putting a link. So if you want to communicate with me directly, a lot of people have been asking me questions, and honestly, it would have to be a full-time job if I have to answer each and every person. So if you have an issue or a situation or a concern, or you want help with either establishing business in Kenya, retiring in Kenya, farming, even opening restaurants like I'm doing, I'm gonna have a link. You can contact me, and you can book a session where you can have one-on-one for 30 minutes with me, and I can guide you. I think I lived 30 years in America, and I'm here now, and I have lots and lots of experience. I feel like I have enough to offer. So don't invent the wheel. You have a question about importing a car from the US. People didn't know you can get a Jeep from America. You can. There's ways about it. So just contact me, hit my consultation link, and book an appointment with me. I will definitely walk you through the whole process. I'll give you a 30-minute consultation, and we can take it from there. All right, thank you, good people. I appreciate your support, and please keep watching, and I'll keep bringing you good content. Like I said, nice and raw. I'm not sugarcoating anything. The good, the bad, you're gonna have it. All right, peace out. See you in the next one.